Welcome to the series Master eComposer Elements. Today's video will show you in detail how to use element presets. Element preset is a feature available in almost Elements of EComposer. It is simply pre-built elements with stunning style and appearance. You can choose eComposer element preset instead of customizing it yourself to save much time while building your pages. Before we start, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button for our channel. If you don't have a Shopify account, feel free to click on the link we attached in the description below. The newest Shopify exclusive deal is waiting for you. Now, go to the Shopify dashboard, select App, and open eComposer Page Builder. In case you haven't installed the app, you can find the link to eComposer on Shopify App Store in this video description. So, from the eComposer app dashboard, click Start Building to create a page or select an existing page to access the eComposer editor. In this video, I will choose a page I have already created. Welcome to the eComposer editor. At the Element tab, select an element you want to build. All elements are available in this tab and you just need to drag and drop the one you want. In this example, I will build a testimonials section. It includes heading element and testimonials element. Okay, in the Content tab of Heading Element, click on Choose a preset to build faster. As you can see, a gallery of many examples of this element appears. You just need to choose an element preset you like and click the Apply button here if you want to use the full preset. If you want to use style only, click on the icon next to it. Finally, you can click on the Apply button again to remove the preset if you don't like the style or appearance of the one that you choose. Similarly, you can easily find presets in Testimonials element and all other elements of eComposer. Get your page done faster and professionally with this feature. That is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join the eComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. I'm putting the details in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels to receive the newest e-commerce page building tips and tricks. See you next time.